Is Saturn losing its rings? What is a ring plane crossing? When will it happen? Will the rings be gone forever? Well, let's get your space suits on and let's go to Saturn. Welcome to Oasisify. Join us on our epic journey to Saturn. Push the like and the subscribe button for more updates. About Saturn's rings, Saturn is one of the most distinctive planets in the solar system. Composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, it is the second largest planet, with a whopping diameter of 116,500 kilometers, 72,400 miles. Its beautiful ring system makes the planet unique and was first observed by astronomer Galileo in 1610, when he reported what through his early telescope looked like ears or handles on the planet. It wasn't until almost 50 years later that Christian Huygens discovered that the projections Galileo had seen on Saturn were in fact a ring. Out of all the planets in our solar system beyond Earth, most consider Saturn's beauty to be the most spectacular, with a set of rings that have inspired curiosity for hundreds of years. Modern telescopes and worldwide observatories have transformed our understanding of Saturn. They reveal swirling collections of ice and rocks orbiting the massive planet in broad arcs that we call rings. These ribbons of debris are more than a mere celestial decoration for us humans to admire. They shed light on the gravitational forces at work in our solar system. By studying Saturn's rings, astronomers gain a better understanding of how cosmic particles behave when bound by gravity, and why their appearance changes when viewed from Earth. Saturn is the second biggest in our solar system, and it has 274 confirmed moons in its orbit, far more than any other planet in our solar system. In March 2025, astronomers confirmed the discovery of 128 small moons around Saturn, adding to the already large moon count. Saturn's moons range in size from larger than the planet Mercury, the giant moon Titan, to as small as a sports arena. The small moon Enceladus has a global ocean under a thick icy shell. Scientists have identified both moons as high-priority science destinations for future deep space missions. Saturn's rings will appear to vanish from our view due to a ring plane crossing, where the rings align edge-on from Earth's perspective, making them appear thin and nearly invisible. At night, however, they don't really disappear. What is a ring plane crossing? Ring plane crossing events are fairly rare, occurring around every 15 years. While the bright, highly reflective rings are temporarily out of the way, they provide a great opportunity for astronomers to make new discoveries. According to NASA, between 1655 and 1980, 13 moons of Saturn were discovered during ring plane crossings. This occurs when Saturn's rings align edge-on from Earth's perspective, meaning we are looking at the thin edge of the rings instead of the broad face. When will it happen? The ring plane crossing will occur on March 23, 2025, and the rings will gradually become visible again later in the year. Will the rings be gone forever? No, the rings will reappear later in the year, and they are not actually disappearing. According to it's just an optical illusion caused by the angle at which we are viewing them. Don't worry, their disappearance is only temporary, as they'll be returning just a few months later. When Saturn's rings vanish like this, astronomers call the event a ring plane crossing, and it's all down to how we view Saturn from Earth. Lying at an average distance of 1.43 billion kilometers, 886 million miles, from the Sun, Saturn takes 29.4 Earth years to complete one orbit of our star. As it orbits the Sun, Saturn experiences seasons and solstices due to its axis of rotation being tilted by 26.7 degrees. Earth is also tilted in its orbit by 23.5 degrees. And as both planets travel around the Sun in their own orbits, the way we see Saturn's rings from Earth slowly changes. Sometimes we see Saturn's rings from above, and sometimes from below, the Sun illuminating them. But when the Sun shines directly over Saturn's equator during the Saturnian equinox, we see the planet and its rings edge on, creating the illusion of the rings disappearing. How long will this last? The rings will be difficult to see for a few months, but they will gradually become visible again as Saturn's orbit progresses. What will Saturn look like? When the rings are aligned edge-on, Saturn will appear as a pale yellow sphere through most telescopes, with a subtle line possibly visible around the planet's middle. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more amazing videos, and don't forget to share. See you next time.